What's going on, guys? So you may remember from my video wheeling at Patriot Mountain with Kyle that we ran into an issue when we needed to change the tire, that the OEM jack is not tall enough. My Jeep is lifted on a 3.5-inch rock crawler suspension lift and 37-inch tires, and there just wasn't enough reach with the stock scissor jack. Well, and naturally, I didn't bring my high lift either. Not that that's a great way to change a tire. Anyway, did some shopping and ended up with the AEV Jack Base. So supposedly this fits pretty neatly in the tray in the back, and you can also use it as a wheel chock. And it's also a reason to spend $70 on something that probably a couple of 2x4s could do. But, you know, why not? So anyway, let's check it out. All right. Let's see here. Feels nice and solid. Oh, we got a little sticker. I'll put that on the toolbox. All right. You can see it says wheel chock here. It's kind of got a shape like a wheel chock. So that probably worked pretty well for that. And it looks like the jack base will just fit right in this little area here. I'm guessing these are for mounting, if you wanted to mount it somewhere. But what I saw is that it supposedly fits nice back here. Granted, I have lots of other junk. Huh. Well, look at that. It actually fits very nicely right there. So, I guess I will have to rearrange some stuff. But in the meantime, let's see how it does as a jack base. Well, seems to fit fine right there. All right, well let's get it jacked up and see if it provides the necessary reach. All righty, let's get it in position. All right, let's take it up. All right, guys, we are more than enough off the ground to get the tire off, and I still got room to go up. All right. Let's take a closer look at that. All right, well that works like a charm for a jack base. All right, well, let's go ahead and take it back down. Well, works great as a jack base, as we just saw. Let's see how it works as a wheel chock. That works pretty good. Awesome. All right, guys. Hope you enjoyed that video and having a look at the AEV Jack Base. Pretty cool. It's up to you to decide whether it's worth the money or not. I like it. I'm happy with it. It's gonna go in my recovery kit in the tray here. Just have to make some room for it. Anyway, thanks for tuning in. Y'all have a good one.